Before we before we learn about Boolean comparison operator, let's first look at Booleans. A Boolean is a data type that represents either true or false. Booleans are used for logical operations, conditions, and decision making in our programs. Let me give you an example quickly. Now here in my code editor, I should write result 1 equal true, result 2 equal print result 1, and here print result 2. When I press run, so true and false is printed. Now one more thing you should be careful here. Always the letter of the true and false must be capital, and don't wrap it in strings, because don't wrap it in code because it will be a string. Now we learn about Booleans, so let's look at comparison operators. Python has a great comparison operator that allows us to compare the values. If the comparison is correct, we will give true, and if the comparison is wrong, so it gives false. So let's try it with an example. Now here we use less than sign and greater than sign. Now here I should remove this and set numbers equal 10, print number less than 10, then 5, and when I press run, when I press run, so it is solved because it is not less than 5. So here I should write less than 15, and I press run, so it's a true, it is a 15. Now here I should write greater than sign and set false. Now because 15 is greater than 10, 10 is greater than now here when we write this, when I press run, so it said true because 10 is less than 15. So here greater than sign is it false because 15 is not less than 10, it is greater than 10. Boolean in a real world, Boolean is not used in our programs much time. In next video we will look at different as data type, and we will use this in the videos. In this video we only learn about comparison operator and how it is used. Now we only learn about less than sign and greater than sign. Now we learn about these all signs. Now let us start with less than sign. Now here I should write less than sign, and here I should write 15, and here I write 10, and I press run. What is the answer? False, because 15 is not less than 10. 10 is less than 15, so that's why it is false. True, false. The 15 is not less than 10 because it is, so that's why it is false. When we write greater than, so it's true because 15 is greater than 10. Now here we use equal signs. Is equal to or not equal to? Equal. When I press run, it's false. And when I write 15 here and press run, it's true. When I write it in string, so I press run, so it's false. So now I write not equal to sign, so when I press run, so it's true because it's not equal. When I write this and press run. So it said false because it is not equal to this. So now this is, and what does that greater than sign mean? This means if one is wrong, so the equal to this sign is true, so it prints true or false. So now we should try that. Right, number equal, oops, sorry, less than or equal 15, set true because it is equal to number. When I write here 10, I press run. So it's set true because it is equal to 15, greater than equal to 15. When I write greater than sign, what happened? So set false because it is not greater than 10. When I write 15, so it is true because it is greater than 15. It is greater than 15 or equal to 15 because it is equal to 15 and greater than 15. So it gives true. So now when we write it in quote and I press run, so it's not equal to this because it is instant. Now you know about logical operator. Now you know about comparison operator. Now we look at logical operator and how to use. AND operator true if both operands are true, or if either of the operands is true. Not true if the operand is false. So we should use this R and set age equal 8 and GPA equals 39.8. And that result equal, what is the result? So I said age greater than equal to 9 and GPA greater than equals 39. So I press run. So what happened? It gets the output. So I forgot to print it. Print result. So I run it. So it got false because it's only print one, not both. So here age equal greater than 9. No, it's false. GP is greater than 39. So it's true. If you want to write 8 when it happens, so it checks it's 2. So we need 9. So when here I should write, we use AND operator and it said one thing is true and it doesn't check any other. So OR operator is used to check everywhere whether it's true or false. So when I press run, so it said true. Now here I should write 6 and press run, so it said true because it is here. So 3 and press run, it's true. So 7 and less than 7, so press run, so it false. So that's why OR operator is used oftenly. So now there is a NOT operator we should learn. Now here you can see it gives us the all capital in the context Boolean operation and also Boolean operation also when expression are used control flow statement. The following values is if or and as false and none. This is a long. So now you know about AND OR operator. So now here I should write remove this code and write a code of not operator as a result equal false, true, print not result. So when I press run, it said true, false, because not result not being true, not it, and it said true, false. So I write it code, and when I press run, so it said false because it ran it, but we do not write that. So here when I write false, when I press run, so here it said true because not result. Now here I should write age less than or less than equal to 18. Now we always write age variable equal whatever the age is 14. Then press run, set false because age is less than 18. Now here we should write 19. When I press run, so is it true? It is less than this. What happened here? Age is less than 18. Yes, it is less than 18. So it's true. When I write only this operator and when I press run, I thought this is true. So now I should write here 20, 12, or 2. So it's like this false because it is not less than 22. It is, and I write here 18, so that's true because it is less than 19. Now we have learned all the basics of comparison operator and logical operator. In our next future videos, so I will teach you about, I will use logical operators much time or comparison operator in those videos. Before in this video, let me give you a programming task for you. Here's a programming task for you. Can you guess the output of this program? I will give you a couple of minutes to pause the video and check the answer for this. You should write this code on our code editor and press run, so it gives you an answer. So now first you try by yourself, now then to the code editor. If you like to see our channel videos, so please like and subscribe to our production channel, and do not forget to hit bell icon for our next videos. If you want some help from our channel, so please comment us, we will help you and always at your service. Cyber production. Thanks.